How long should I cook a ham per pound at 350 degrees?
If you're wondering how long to cook a ham per pound at 350 degrees, you've come to the right place. Cooking a ham can be intimidating, but with the right technique and knowledge, you can easily cook a delicious ham that your family and friends will love.
What type of ham are you cooking?
Before we dive into the cooking time, it's important to know what type of ham you're cooking. There are two main types of ham: fully cooked and partially cooked. Fully cooked hams only need to be heated up, while partially cooked hams need to be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
How much does your ham weigh?
The cooking time for a ham will depend on its weight. As a general rule of thumb, you should cook a ham for 15 to 18 minutes per pound at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. However, there are a few factors that can affect the cooking time, such as the type of ham, the shape of the ham, and whether or not the ham is bone-in or boneless.
Use a meat thermometer.
To ensure that your ham is cooked to the appropriate temperature, it's important to use a meat thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, being careful not to touch the bone. The ham should reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let it rest.
Once your ham has reached the appropriate temperature, it's important to let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more flavorful and tender ham. In conclusion, the cooking time for a ham will depend on its weight, but as a general rule of thumb, you should cook a ham for 15 to 18 minutes per pound at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the ham has reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. With these tips, you'll be able to cook a delicious ham that your family and friends will love.